Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So very quickly, we do have a quick little unboxing from Born Pretty. They did go ahead and send me a very cute Valentine's themed gel polish collection for me to review for you guys. So very quickly, I'm just taking anything out of the packaging, and this first thing here is their little pamphlet. It does tell you how to like prep your nails, how to remove your nails, how to pretty much use the product. So if you're interested in reading how to do that, go ahead and feel free to pause the video. And then these are the gel polishes I received. There are 5 pigmented gel polish colors and 1 glitter gel polish color as well. So I'm just quickly taking them out of the packaging before we get into swatching them. So these are all 6 of the gel polish colors. This collection is called the Pink Baby Gel Polish Collection, I believe. That is kind of like, it shows the name at the top of the swatching on like the bottle, if that makes sense. But I will try to leave the link to the actual product in my description box if you are interested. So quickly, I'm just showing you the packaging and all the colors from the bottle. They are all 7.5 ml, or no, they're all just 7 ml bottles. I absolutely love how you can see like the color through like the little, I don't know exactly if it's a flower or what it is, but on the design of the bottle you can kind of see the swatch from inside that, so I thought that was pretty cool. And I just absolutely love all of these colors here. This one has to be one of my favorites because I love anything glittery, and pink is definitely one of my new favorite colors, so I'm absolutely loving it. So now here I am going ahead and swatching them on my swatch sticks. I won't be talking much throughout this portion just because it's pretty simple and basic. I am just putting the colors on the swatch stick, and then I am curing it for 30 seconds while I do the next swatching. So I will go ahead and just let you guys watch the rest of the swatching play out, and I'll come back in once all of the swatches are done. So these are what all of the swatches are looking like once they are completely cured and everything like that. These are all only 1 coat. So if you want it to be more pigmented, I do recommend doing 2 coats, but I believe the 1 coat coverage is just perfect. So for today's video, we will be doing a simple gel press on set. So here I am just taking my buffer and buffing off the shine from all of the nail tips. I am also recreating a set that I saw on Instagram, which I will pop up later on once we get to the design portion of the video. You don't absolutely have to buff off the shine from the nail tips when doing any type of gel press on or acrylic press on. I just like doing it so that way the product has something to adhere to. Not only that, I will also be switching the stand for these press-ons later on, just because you will be able to see the black stand poke through the nude base later. So after I'm done doing the nude bases later on, you will see that I have switched the stands out. But getting back to the video, I am applying this A1 Builder Gel from Born Pretty as well. This just helps act as a base coat, and not only that, it helps give it a little bit more thickness since we are doing some gel press-ons. And then once I am done applying this to all the nails, I do go ahead and cure this in the light for a full 30 seconds. So for the nude bases, I will be using these 2 gel polishes from Elegance Nail Supply. They are 047 and 048. So I am starting off with 048 and doing 2 layers of this, making sure to cure in between for 30 seconds. And then once I am done with the 2 layers of the 048, I will go ahead and apply only 1 layer of 047. I highly recommend checking out Elegance Nail Supply's like nude colored gel polishes, if that makes sense. They are just the best, and I absolutely love layering them just to get that perfect nude that I am looking for. I will go ahead and leave their link down in the description box. I am not an ambassador or anything like that. I will just go ahead and leave the link, and I will also use the discount code that I always use when I am shopping their products. So here I am applying that one layer of 047, and this kind of helps just give it more of a pink tone to it, so that way it's not just so, I don't know how to describe the other type of color, but that way it just has a natural looking nude to it, if that makes sense. And then I am curing this final layer for 60 seconds just to make sure all of the layers are fully cured. Also, I do want to apologize. I did take my gloves off of my hands because I do have really bad eczema, and the gloves just kind of affect that, so I'm trying my hardest not to wear the gloves so much, just so that way it's not irritating everything. So I do apologize if you see like my little rashes and everything like that. I know it's probably not the prettiest thing to look at, but I'm not going to risk it flaring up even more just to kind of hide it, if that makes sense. So again, I do apologize for that. So back to the video, I am using number 3 from the gel polish collection I reviewed earlier, along with this red gel polish from Blue Sky, and also our classic white from KAIROSE Nail Supply. There I did go ahead and pop up the picture of the set I am recreating for today, and as you can see, our classic white has a new label on it. If you didn't read my community tab a couple days ago, we are rebranding our KAIROSE Nail Supply brand, so everything will have new labels and everything like that. So getting back to the nail art, I am taking our 15mm liner brush to do most of the nail art today. And I'm starting off by doing, I don't really know exactly how to describe this type of design, but kind of like a lacy design going along the sides of the nail. And then once I am done outlining that, I will go ahead and I will go ahead and infill that, and then I will go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. I will also be alternating the colors for each of the nails. So for the thumbnail, the middle nail, and the pinky nail, it will have this pink color. And then for the index nail and the ring nail, it will have that red color. So as this portion of the video plays on, I do want to ask you guys a quick question. Since the whole TikTok and the CapCut ban happened, I deleted CapCut off my phone, which was the main editing app that I used to edit my videos, and unfortunately I'm not able to get it back right now, and I've been having to discover different apps for my editing for the videos. If you have gone through this, like deleted CapCut off your phone and had to find a new video editing app, please leave your recommendations down below. I'm not really liking any of the ones that I've been trying, honestly. I just don't like it at all, especially like the music choices. I don't like their music choices, if that makes sense. I like to have a specific type of music for my videos, just like some calm, relaxing type of music, and their music that is on these editing apps I just don't really like. So again, please feel free to leave your editing video apps suggestions down below in the description, in the comment section. That way I can try out some and see if I like any of them. The current one I am using, I believe, is called the VN Editor app, I believe. I'm not exactly sure. I will go ahead and try to pop up a screenshot of the one I am using. I'm not really liking it. It's almost similar to CapCut, but like I said, the music choices are just not great, and trying to get used to all these new ways of editing is just not the best. But that's just my opinion. But like I said, please leave your suggestions down below. So like I mentioned, I am switching the colors on the other two nails, so I am doing that type of same design I did on the other nails, but in red this time on the index nail and the ring nail, making sure to infill it after I'm done outlining it, and then curing that for 30 seconds and moving on to the other nail. So now that I have the main base of the nail art done, I am going ahead and doing some hearts. So to do that, I'm just taking a dotting tool, and on the nails that have the red design on that like outline portion, if that makes sense, I am doing pink hearts, and I am just taking that same 15mm liner brush and kind of creating the heart after I am done doing the dots. And then I am doing the same exact thing on the other nail with the red outline, and then for the ones that have the pink outline, I will be doing some red hearts. So after I'm done doing the hearts, I am going ahead and adding some white dots here. I am going to be creating a star, like kind of like a four-pointed star with some extra lines, if that makes sense. And then I am adding some dots around the entire design as well in all the colors. So I will be doing some white dots and some red dots, mainly, like, so to describe it is the kind of like the same thing I did for the hearts. On this nail, since it has pink, I will be only adding red dots along with the white dots. And then the nails with the red outline here, I will only be adding white dots with the pink dots. I hope all that makes sense. If not, if you watch it, I hope it makes sense after you're done watching the design. But I'm not really curing in between each nail just because it's a simple design. I'm not risking messing anything up. But if you feel like you might, go ahead and cure in between each nail. But like I said, I'm not doing that. I'm just doing the stars, adding the dots, and then after that, I will go ahead and fully cure for 30 seconds in the nail light. So this is what the entire set is looking like once everything is completely done. I believe the set is so beautiful. It's just like, it definitely gives Valentine's vibes. So to top coat, I am taking the Born Pretty shiny top coat and applying that to all the nails, making sure to kind of press in nicely into all the crevices created from the nail art. And then once I am done, I am going ahead and curing that in the light for 60 seconds. That is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!